You can expect a lot from the 2013 Ford Edge. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a rear window wiper, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, and remote keyless entry. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.